Want to manage all your Walmart purchases in one place? In this video, I will show you how to track shipments, access digital receipts, and use life-saving order tools all from the Walmart app. Let's get started. First of all, you want to open the Walmart app. Then tap on these three lines. Select Purchase History from here. Here, you will see every order you've ever placed. Now within Purchase History, tap on any order to view its current status. You'll see real-time tracking updates, estimated delivery dates, and the map of the driver's route. Still, inside your order details, tap View Receipt. You can screenshot it, save it to your phone, or hit Email Receipt to send a PDF straight to your inbox. If you need the same item again from the order page, tap Reorder Items. It instantly adds everything back to your cart for lightning fast repeat purchase. If you need to start a return or exchange, you can select Return Items and follow the prompts. Choose your refund method and print the label or scan the QR code in store for free returns. And that's it, everything you need to track orders, find receipts, and manage your Walmart purchase. If you found this video useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.